Hi guys, in this video, I'm going to teach you how can you enable voice chat on your Roblox account. So if you are having problems with your voice chat and you want to enable it, so this is the way to do it. So if you want to go over and have this feature right here on the right side, as you can see, beta features, enable voice chat. You just have to go ahead and go over to your settings right here on your Roblox account. Once you are here, you just have to go on over to your account information here. And to be able to get this feature right here, under beta features on privacy settings, you have to go over and verify your age. So you just have to input your real age right here. And once clicking that, you will be completing an ID verification process operated by Roblox on their third-party service. And you should present your government ID or your any ID that uh, verifies that you are the right age that you input on your Roblox. So all you have to do here is input your date of birth, for example, and verify your age. So tap this click on this one, verify your age, and as you can see, prepare a valid ID. So it can be driver's license, passport, ID card, or residence permit. Anything that proves that the date of birth that you've inputted on Roblox is right, and you need to use a smartphone. So you just have to scan this QR code on your smartphone app, on your camera app, for this to be processed. And once you are done, you just have to wait a couple of minutes. You should go ahead and go over to your privacy here, and you should see this enable voice chat feature enabled under privacy settings. So okay guys, that's how you can enable this secret feature right here. And that is all for this video. Thank you for watching guys, and goodbye.